Hi guys, welcome to the channel Mr. Saksham G. I'm here bringing some very exciting news for you. Imagine studying in Europe with zero tuition fees, zero hostel fees, and a monthly stipend. So, the biggest scholarship news for the year is dropping. The cost almost becomes zero, and you still get an additional stipend per month. So, we have Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship, which is already launched. Please make sure that you watch this video to the end. I will also share the rejections reasons that nobody tell you. So in this video we will cover about how to apply, who are eligible, if you are eligible, how to fill out the forms, how to make sure that you are closer to the success. It is not a guaranteed scholarship. It is a scholarship wherein you have to make sure that your documents, your every process is absolutely correct. So let's get on with the video. What is Stipendium Hungaricum? What is Stipendium Hungaricum? The first is it's a fully funded scholarship of Government of Hungary. It is managed by Tempest Public Foundation in Hungary, and this is available to students from 80 plus countries across the world. So if you're sitting in Liberia, if you're sitting in Libya, if you're sitting in Sudan, if you're sitting in any part of the world, if you're from India who is watching this, it is available to you. You just have to know the right process. You just cannot go directly to the website and apply and think that you'll get selected, because there is 2-3 more very important steps which are to be covered, which we will cover in this video. And if you enjoy the video to the end and you find it useful, make sure to subscribe the channel and share it with a friend who might need it. Number one, what all it covers, from which level it is. It covers bachelor's, it is applicable to students who want to do their master's, and it is also applicable and available for the students who want to do their PhDs. So if you have completed your grade 12, A levels, O levels, and you want to go for bachelor's, you are most welcome to apply. If you have completed your bachelor's degree and you want to apply for a master's degree, you are most welcome to apply. And again, if you have completed your masters and now you want to apply for your PhDs, you are also again most welcome to apply. What are the few things to take note of? What is the destination? The universities are spread across all across Hungary, from Budapest, Page, different locations and cities. The monthly stipend, the health insurance, everything is covered in the scholarship. The only thing you will need to cover for yourself if you get selected in the program is your embassy fees, basically the visa fees and the flight tickets. Once you are there, your monthly stipend is enough to make you comfortable to stay there. It's not a luxury living, so you might need to still manage your food and small jobs, which you can also do. The best thing about it is that you can do a part-time job in Hungary for 20 hours a week. So you can do all of that. What does the scholarship cover? Step by step. Like I said, tuition fees 100% waived. Monthly stipend for bachelors and masters, the stipend is somewhere between 110 to 140 euros per month. PhD, it is a little higher. It varies by phases. For example, in PhD, you might get hostel and accommodation allowance separate. You will get a medical insurance. As far as I know, in medical insurance, you get 65,000 Hungarian franc. So you can go Hungarian franc. So if you go online and you want to check how much it is in your local currency, you can do that. You also get library plus university facilities fees as well if you are selected for the PhD. Stipend is not luxury living, but you still need to manage your food and personal expenses, for which you can also do part-time jobs. What is the eligibility criteria? Number one, the most important eligibility criteria is that your home country is listed under the partner country. So if you will drop me a comment on this video, I can send you, or I can reply to you with a list of the countries eligible and the responsible steps how you can do it. So I can give you a list of the countries who are eligible to apply for the program. So if you want to check that, first of all, you need to see that your country is eligible or not. And how do you check it? This is a bilateral cooperation which Hungarian government has with more than 80 plus countries. So it varies accordingly. So it is for 80 plus countries. Then you must have your class 12th or bachelor degree for masters, and so on, master's degree for PhD. Number three, minimum 60 to 65% of academic score. Varies by university, so you might have 60%, 65% depending on what do you have scored, minimum that is required. English proficiency, IELTS or TOEFL, or medium of instructions letter. So for some countries, medium of instructions means that you can go to your school and college and get a letter from them that I've been taught in English before, and it specifies this basic medium of instruction. If you need any help, you can again drop down a comment. I can share with you a sample of how to get it. And if your country is listed under the program where IELTS or TOEFL is mandatory, then you will need to give an IELTS examination, which you can easily book again. Again, you can drop down, and if you want assistance how to book your IELTS exam, I can still help you out with that. The most important point, you cannot apply directly without your home country's nomination. What does it mean? Like I said before, this scholarship is a bilateral agreement between Hungary and multiple countries. So, if you are from India, you cannot just apply at the portal and hope for getting selected. You will automatically will get rejected. But there is Ministry of Higher Education nominated person in India. For this program, it is nominated under University Grants Commission. So if you want exact details, where to also apply, how to find that person, where is the, so that your chances become higher, again, you can drop to us, you can send a message, drop down in comment. I will help you out and we will assist you in that. So you cannot apply without a home country nomination. If you're from Sudan, if you're from Liberia and you're watching this from there and you still want help, we will assist you. You just have to come to ask for it from us. How is the step by step application process in this particular scholarship? Number one, there's an online application on the Stipendium portal. You want a link, I will attach it on the description. You just go, you will find the online application link that how to do it. Then, like the parallel application to your home country partner agency slash ministry. So every country has a home country manager kind of a person who is managing this. Without their nomination, without their screening, the Hungarian government will not select you. So again, like I said, just drop down, we'll help you out. Then university shortlist you. Once you apply and both the things are done, the third step is that your application reaches to the university. Then the university shortlists you and sees that yes, you are a right fit for them or not. Once that is done, then you will have to go through an interview or an evaluation. An interview can be generally why you want to study in Hungary. Number one, how can this course be beneficial for you in the future? What will you gonna do with the skills you will learn? Basic things. Full preparation of the interview can also be achieved through our assistance, and I can give you a guide of questionnaire of the question preparation for this interview, that how to prepare for it. Then the final approval, the fourth step, basically the fifth step, is that you, after you have done the documentation both sides, you have done, the university has shortlisted you, then you have done your interview, there's a final approval which comes from Hungary government. Once that final approval is out, then you apply for your visa at the nearest embassy and then you can fly to Hungary. Missing either step, one step you miss is equivalent to automatic rejection. It is a system carried process. The most important points, what are the documents we require? A lot of mistakes here happens to with students. Number one, you require your passport, you require academic transcripts, you require degree certificates, you require a motivation letter, you require 2 recommendation letters. So how to find the right recommendation letters is also something we can assist you. Who should give you recommendations? You require a properly made CV in European CV format, which is also known as resumes. You require a medical certificate that you are not suffering from any major illness or disease, which has to be brought attention to the government or the university there, and the language proof. These are the documents you need to compile and carry on. Once you do all of that, a lot of questions sometimes also comes to us, that what are the top rejection reasons? Why do students get rejected? So I will list down 4 reasons for you, for because of which the students generally get rejected. Number one, generic SOP. In the era of chat GPT and artificial intelligence, everyone thinks that they can just write small things on chat GPT and they will get it. So as soon as you have a generic SOP, you will get rejected. Number two is weak recommendation. If you do not have a right recommendation letter, you do not have from somebody who is a significant position holder, that is also something which can get you rejected. wrong course selection. Let's say you have done in your class 12th or A levels science subjects. Now you are going for something in artist side, generalist side, which is not related to your past degrees. Especially it happens when you're applying for master's course, because a lot of students, what they do is that they have done computer science engineering and now they want to go and do something in healthcare management, which does not resonate, and they're not able to justify in the interview and the application process that why they want to do this. It can also bring in some rejections. And the biggest is that a lot of students do not know that they need a home country nomination. So a late home country nomination and the seats already get filled can also get you rejected. So make sure that these four things do not hamper you. What are the most popular courses under stipendium scholarship? Means there are some scholarship which has got higher number of seats, and then there are some courses which has got low number of seats and more people applying to it. So it is very important to know what are the courses we need to apply when we are applying for this scholarship. Most successful fields are medicine, engineering, computer science, business and management, agriculture, and international relations. So, top Hungarian universities participate every year, from Obuda to Miskolc to University of Page to Aberdeen to Debrecen. There are so many universities you can go to. So, all of these universities participate, and these are the fields which are available there where you can actually apply to. So, make sure your course selection is also right. Now, what is the once we have done all of that, we have got selected. Now we also want to know that what is the final cost which will come as a student on us. So what is the cost of living in Hungary? Average monthly budget, the food cost in Hungary, you can expect to spend about 100 to 150 euros. Transportation, public transport, you can get a monthly pass as a student for 10 to 15 euros. Your utilities plus internet can come down to 30 to 50 euros, and your miscellaneous expenses can be about 40 to 60 euros. So how do students manage it? Students manage the all of these expenses with stipend plus part-time job, which is 20 hours per week you are allowed to do, and 5 to 8 euros per hour is what you can make as a student in Hungary, which is an average data which I have fetched from the online and from my students who are already there. Now, what are the visa process plus timeline? The applications are now open. It's gonna close at by first week or second week of January. Generally, 15 January last year they closed the application. So I would always suggest that you should apply immediately without delaying, because the whole process kind of takes time. The processing time is about 4 to 6 weeks is what they say, but I say be prepared for 2 to 3 months. Flights are not included. Embassy interview is also required. So these are four things which you need to know while you are applying. Some final truth, which is very important to know when you're applying for such scholarship, because as students we can actually get a lot excited. Scholarship is competitive, so it's not necessary that if you apply and you get it. Only disciplined profiles get selected and disciplined individuals get selected. And without proper counseling, 70% applications fail. So if you want a free profile evaluation, you want your SOPs to be corrected, and you want your correct country nomination, you can just comment hungry, interested, interested to know more and all of that, or just find us on Instagram with our company name Edudite, and we're gonna help you out with the whole process. So make sure you do it, and I hope that a majority of you also get success. Keep tuned, and if you enjoy and like this video, kindly share it with someone who might find it useful. And also please do not forget to subscribe the channel, and we're gonna keep bringing amazing updates out there for all of our followers and students who are always looking out for interesting opportunities abroad. Till then, ciao ciao, see you next time.